Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to play on the piano the composition of Scott Joplin, which is The Entertainer. First I will show you how it sounds with both hands, and then I will teach you very slowly how to play the right hand, the left hand and both hands together. So that's how it sounds. Alright, so let's start with the right hand. There is the figure like this. That is in fact repeated 3 times, so it's not difficult. It starts on a D with the 4th finger, then E with the 5th, C with the 3rd, A with the 1st, then B with the 2nd, and G with the 1st. In this way. Then we move down 1 octave down, so we start exactly the same figure but on D, which is here. So D, E, C, A, B, G, exactly as before, and once more octave down, so we start on a D here, D, E, C, A. Only here there is a slight difference. Now we play the second on B, the first on A, the second on A flat, and the first on G. Okay, so from the beginning, the right hand. And the chord B and G, so B with the first and G with the 5th, and the left hand comes with this chord, so the left hand is G on with the 5th finger, like this. So that's the introduction, and now it's the measure number 4, the ending of this measure, the melody starts. I will show you first the right hand for the melody. We play D with the 1st, D sharp here with the 2nd finger, then we play the 1st on E and the 5th on C, and the notes E and C are repeated 3 times. So we play D, D sharp, E, C, and once again E and C, and we continue. The first on C, the second on D, the third on D sharp, the fourth on E, the second on C, the third on D, the fourth on E, and then the first on B, the third on D, and the second on C. So these are 4 measures of the main melody. Let me repeat the right hand, starting from the end of the 4th measure. let me show you the left hand for this part. Starting from the measure number 5, we have C with the 5th, then the chord E and G, E with the 3rd and G with the 1st finger. Then we have E with the 5th, and the chord B flat, C, B flat with the 2nd and C with the 1st. Then we have F with the 5th, and the chord A and C, A with the 3rd and C with the 1st. Then we have E with the 5th, the chord G with the 3rd and C with the 1st. Then we have, I will repeat it in a second, so don't worry. Now we are in the measure number 7, so we have the 5th on G, the chord C and E, so C with the 2nd, E with the 1st. And now the single notes, so we have the 5th on G, the 3rd on B, the 1st on C, the 2nd on G, and the 5th on C down here. So let me repeat the left hand only, and then we will play together. So starting from the measure number 5, so when the melody starts. So just stop the video and practice yourself this part, and when you are ready, just come back. Now I will show you how to play this part with both hands. Now we have two measures which are exactly the same as before. And from this moment it is there are two measures that are different, so let me show it to you. The left hand plays E with the 3rd, so let me start with the left hand. Then we play E flat with the 4th, and twice the figure like this. So first we have the note D with the 5th, and the chord F sharp with the 3rd, and A with the 1st finger. So we repeat it once again, and then we have the chord G with the 2nd, and B with the 1st, and 3 single notes. G with the 5th, A with the 4th, B with the 3rd, and then the melody that you know already will start. So let me show you again the left hand for this part. So we are in the middle of the measure number 10, the 3rd on E, the 4th on E sharp, D, the chord, again D and the chord G and B, and single notes starting from G. And the right hand for this part is like this. We play A with the 3rd, G with the 2nd, and the hand is here in the middle of the keyboard because we need the 1st finger to play F sharp, so this black key. Then the 2nd on A, the 3rd on C, the 5th on E, we keep it longer, and next D with the 4th, C with the 3rd, and A with the 1st, and D with the 4th. Let me repeat. Right, so just practice separately the left hand, the right hand, and when you are ready, now I will show you both hands together for this part. So when we are in the middle of the measure number 10, we play like this. And with the note B, the melody starts, so we play the right hand as before. So at the moment when we started to play the melody at the beginning, so it sounds like this. That was the part that you already know from the beginning, from the measure starting in the measure number 5. And now there is just the ending to finish this composition. So let me show you the ending with the right hand. We play C with the second, D with the third, E with the fourth. We repeat it twice. Then we have again C with the second, D with the third, and C with the second. And similar part as before, so we have E, C, D, E. We repeat it once again, so C, D, C, E, C, D, E. And now we play the first on B, the third on D, and the second on C. So in the right tempo, this ending sounds like this. And the left hand for this part, these are the chords. First, C, E, G, so the fifth on C, the third on E, and the first on G. Then we have the fifth on E, the second on B flat, and the first on C. Next, the fifth on F, the third on A, and the first on C. The next one is very similar, only we play A flat instead of A. So we have F, A flat, C, and the chord G, C, E. So G with the fifth, C with the second, and E with the first. And then single notes, G with the fifth, C with the first, G with the second, and C with the fifth to finish this composition. So I will show you the ending once again with both hands. At this moment you just repeat from the moment when the melody starts, so you know all the notes. I will just play very slowly from the same beginning so that you could follow. Maybe I will give you some comments. So just follow me from the beginning. again the main melody from the beginning. And the ending. And here we repeat from the ending of the measure number 4, so once again from the moment when the melody starts. And the ending. So that was The Entertainer. I hope you enjoyed it and that you will learn it very soon. Thank you very much.